So hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about this problem, average of leaves in binary tree. Let us see what we have to do exactly in this problem. We need to return the average value from all of the levels. If you talk about the level 0, we have the average value as 3. The value of this node is 3. And in this level, how many nodes are present? It's only 1. So 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. We're going to keep this into a vector. Then for this level, what's the value? 9 plus 20. How many number of nodes are there in this current level? It's 2 divided by 2. So there will be some x value. We're going to add it into this vector. Same for this level, we are going to do the same thing. So this we have to do, and at the end we need to return something like this. Now let us see how we can solve this problem. It's simple. What we need to do is we need to perform the level order traversal. I'll be explaining while I code. So what we are going to do is first of all declare vector out. This will be, and we're going to return this thing, but this will keep all the counts of the averages and it will be out double. Then we are going to declare a queue with a data type tree node. Okay, and then we are going to push the current node into this. Then while the queue is not empty, we're going to first find out the level number of nodes in this current level. So I'll rename this variable number of nodes in current level, something like this, number of nodes in current level. So how we are going to get it? Queue dot size. Each iteration has its own level, and as we are performing the level order traversal, then declare a sum variable which will keep the count of sum of all the values. After this, what we are going to do for less than number of node in current level I plus plus. So we are going to loop over all of the nodes in the current level, like not first but front. Okay, and then we're going to pop. Okay, so we get the node, we pop, we do sum plus equals dot val, and at the end we are gonna out dot push back the sum divided by. After we add the value of the current node into the sum variable, what we are going to do, we're going to check if current, if the left is not null. If you talk about this node, if the left pointer has a node, we're going to push it into the queue. The same thing we are going to do for the right side, like this. Actually, in this line, we should not divide by 2 sum of all the node values divided by number of nodes in the current level. I'll submit this code. Yeah, so this was the solution, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you understood it, please like this video, and also please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.